Good morning, Mani, buenos dias. This is LoraKim Joyner from Campo Pico Rojo, Camp Red Lord Amazon. I'm here with Gisella. Estoy aquí con Gisella, nuestra cocinera fantástica. I'm here with Gisella. She's our great cook. Today is her last day, and this day is day number 22 of the Unconditional Solidarity Campaign. Esta es la última día de Gisela, está la día número 22 de la campaña de solidaridad incondicional. And she's making us breakfast. Está cocinando desayuno para nosotros, tortillas. And she's making us breakfast by making her tortillas.
Tortilla de maíz.
Tortillas de maíz. Es más correcto la palabra. Corn tortillas, that's right. So our bird report for today is we have not had any reported poached nest for a week now. We have people out all night. We have people out in the morning. We have several different camps. We're really trying hard to stop the poaching. And in the last 10 days, we have discovered 7 new nests that we didn't know before, new trees. And so that's all really, really good news. Nuestro informe de aves es que tenemos 7 nidos nuevos, árboles nuevos de nidos, y también no tenemos ningún nido saqueado en la última semana. And our words for solidarity for the day are this: we must let go of the stories of our isolated selves. These are stories that imprison us. So let unconditional solidarity break open this isolation. If we can get out of our sense of isolation into the sense of us, unconditional solidarity, we can live into the new world. Tenemos que dejar las historias de nosotros que estamos aislados de otras personas, que todo el mundo está con nosotros, y si podemos romper estas historias que solo yo y nuestro ego, venimos a vivir con solidaridad incondicional. Sí. Adiós, Gisela.
Adiós.
Adiós.